Once upon a time in the West Midlands, there was a metal bashing industry. And 60 years later, it's still there. At least a little bit of it, called Malthouse Engineering in Dudley. This business is not just still there, it's still profitable, it's still privately owned, and it's still expanding. The management of Malthouse, who you can see here, perhaps believing that future success depends on understanding the past, or maybe just to celebrate the present, approached the National Academy of Writing in search of what we'd like to call talent. So, while they've been working their way through this pile of steel, we've been building up a pile of material for a book. Rob Ireland liaised with Roy Taylor and set the agenda. Bobby Derbyshire worked through the company history. Edmund Bealby-Wright sifted their pictorial archive, and Mike Morrison created a choice of graphic templates on which to lay out the story of Malthouse Engineering. We all visited the factory and did lots of interviews and saw what they were doing and how. And although heavy industry was probably foreign world to all of us, you enter a new world every time you open a book. And encompassing another world in your mind is exactly what we're training ourselves to do as writers, isn't it? It didn't really take any special skills to find a good story in this material and to empathise with the characters in it as well. We brought to light a lot of anecdotes, some half forgotten, some distorted by many retellings, and we've recorded these as faithfully as the big pivotal moments of the company plotline. Because not only are they funny, but they give the story a complexity and a texture which is very important to the novelist's mind. The material is beginning to come together now, and surprise, surprise, the issues that are on all our minds, things like the environment and globalization, you can find at Malthouse not only brilliantly lit, but also linked in a way you hadn't thought of before. We've tried to produce work of a professional standard so that Malthouse has a book they can show their customers and be pleased to keep for another 60 years. But also we've been trying to do justice to such a fantastic subject that's just fallen into our lap.